Get ready for a sedan that's about to redefine luxury and performance. The 2025 Cadillac CT6 is here, and it's turning heads. Cadillac is pulling out all the stops to create a driving experience that's both powerful and refined. But what exactly sets this flagship sedan apart? Let's dive into the details. Behind the scenes, Cadillac's American factories are buzzing with activity as the 2025 CT6 rolls off the production line. Engineers and designers have poured their expertise into every detail, ensuring that this flagship sedan embodies the best of what Cadillac has to offer. Anticipation is high, and early sales projections suggest that the CT6 will be a strong contender in the luxury market, appealing to those who crave both performance and prestige. As it prepares to hit showrooms in early 2025, the CT6 is poised to make a significant impact. The 2025 CT6 is all about presence. With its sharp lines, bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights, it's a perfect blend of modern elegance and Cadillac's signature style. This sedan doesn't just look luxurious, it exudes confidence on the road. Under the hood, the CT6 is expected to come with a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering smooth, effortless power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, this car is designed to make every drive feel exceptional. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that's both spacious and luxurious. Premium materials, advanced tech, and a massive infotainment screen ensure you're connected and comfortable, no matter where you're headed. Plus, Cadillac's latest driver assistance features add an extra layer of safety and convenience. Starting at an estimated $70,000, the 2025 Cadillac CT6 offers a compelling mix of luxury and performance. What do you think of the 2025 Cadillac CT6? Is this the luxury sedan you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're excited about the latest cars, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more automotive updates.